Welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys dialing in. This OG triple, man. Today we got a Volkswagen Passat 2015 model with a 1.8 four-cylinder engine, non-turbo. You know, these Volkswagens and this German-made shit, y'all already know I always got some shit to say about all cars. Until they go electric, then I ain't got nothing to say, because that's what we need to be. We need to be electric. You understand? And all this other bullshit will go away, and we be just concentrating on motors that look like, not motors, but generators that look like this on all four wheels, and everything else would be just wires and a battery. You understand? How sweet would that be? Cam sensor. Car came in with a cam sensor code. Cam sensor is located right down here. Right down in there. Okay? And it's a little trick to get to it, because you got a solenoid right here on this side. You know, with even today's technology, they still using a lot of this old type of technology, especially these German cars, and charging you guys a whole lot of damn money, and y'all stupid asses paying for this shit. But nevertheless, the cam sensor is right down in there, and the trick to it is that if you got a pair of long needle nose pliers and a T27 star bit, that's what size those are, you can get this off. What I did is I went here to the side, I took a look at it, I took this off. It's just a bracket right there at the top. See that bracket? I took those two bolts off, and then I got my long needle nose vice grips. I don't put most of this stuff up, guys, but I got my long needle nose vice grips right here, and I went down on that joker like that, with those needle nose pliers, with this bracket right here out the way. See, with that bracket right there out the way, I was able to get it, because they want you to take that solenoid right there, all that bullshit off right there on the side, to get that bolt, to get to that bolt. But I said, well, you know, I've been doing this for so damn long, I know how to get to something without doing a lot of that bullshit. And it's all designed to bring the labor costs up. And, you know, the most simplest things with these newer cars, you know, costs you a little bit more in labor time, because the cost of living went up, so the labor cost goes up. But the job is a little bit more simpler, if you ask me, because your core pack sits right up here on the top. Bolts here, bolts there, you know, and it works like that. So, you know, that's my opinion on you, man. But 2015 Volkswagen Passat cam sensor removal, T27 pair of needle nose vice grips. Remove this bracket here with those 27 bolts right there. Take those needle nose pliers, man. Come over here on this side here. Now you may have to take your map sensor wiring right here in front of you. Take that loose and roll your fuel pump return line. Yep, fuel pump return line. See, that's a fuel pump too, guys. It's on the outside, and it's one on the inside. And take and put that, fold that over here like that, and then you can get to that and go ahead and get it done, man. Okay? So, if you feel that this video was helpful, you know, it's a shortcut. You know, share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel, man, because OG gonna help you save some money if you hang in there with me, all right? Till next time.